Hey there, I'm Blair Hasty, the proud owner of Bear, a design-centric tech solutions company. I've spent 2 decades perfecting the art of creating quality, thoughtful products that solve real-world problems. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to my latest creation, TAIM. TAIM is not just another gadget. It's a beautifully crafted solution to the daily chaos of tangled wires we all face, and a seamless merger of form and function. TAIM simplifies your life by allowing you to wrap your Apple MacBook power cable neatly around its charging block. It is the fastest and simplest cord management solution out there, and we have worked really hard to make sure it looks great too. TAIM snugly fits onto your laptop's charging block and uses a durable elastic band with a robust hook and loop attachment to secure the charging cable. The machined metal grab tab ensures a quick release when you're ready to work. TAIM comes in 2 sizes to fit all current MacBook Pro and Air single-port charging blocks. It's not just simple, it's adaptable and will continue to work with new chargers down the road. TAIM is not just a product, it's a statement. Crafted from the highest grade materials like custom merino wool felt, the best quality elastic, and solid metal components, it's built to last. No flimsy plastics or inferior textiles that will break down and degrade over time. But it's not only about design, it's about being responsible. TAIM has been carefully crafted to be a highly sustainable solution. We've designed it to be reusable, recyclable, and made from sustainable materials, because we want to contribute to a better, greener world. Now we need your support. We're launching a Kickstarter campaign for TAIM. Join us in creating a product that goes beyond solving problems. It stands for quality, sustainability, and timeless design. Visit bearartifacts.com to learn more about TAIM and how you can be a part of revolutionizing cable management. Together, let's bring TAIM to life. Thank you for supporting Bear.